I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive Audi Q7 automatic. Begin by setting up the cabin. Adjust seat, steering, and mirrors, then buckle the belt. Learn the gear positions and how the shifter feels when selecting P, R, N, and D. Keep your foot gently on the brake when shifting, and practice smooth throttle inputs to avoid jerky starts. Familiarize with dashboard alerts and adaptive cruise features. In this video, I will explain how to drive Audi Q7 automatic. To start, press the brake firmly and push the start button if equipped, then shift from P to D while keeping the brake engaged. Release the parking brake and ease off the brake while gently applying throttle to roll forward smoothly. Steer with small inputs, signal early, and scan intersections for pedestrians and vehicles to ensure safe, confident maneuvers. In this video, I will explain how to drive Audi Q7 automatic. Maintain a calm, steady pace and leave extra space for braking, especially in wet or busy conditions. Use adaptive cruise control on highways to reduce fatigue and maintain speed limits. Rely on smooth, progressive braking rather than abrupt stops, and let the transmission downshift as needed instead of forcing manual shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.